Hello, this is Lisa from the staff at Resurrection University Parish. I'm so happy to be with you today on this beautiful Friday. We're going to do this video. This is one of many videos that we're going to be doing during the construction project. And today we're going to do it in 3 really important locations just to keep you updated on the latest updates. So the first is I'm standing on the new accessible ramp that's been built that will be available for the masses this weekend. And right next to the ramp will be the accessible parking as well. So there will be signs all along here, along this side parking lot, with direct access to the ramp that actually leads you into the back door. So we'll walk up here just to show you a bit about this door. So this door will also be open and available beginning with masses this weekend. And we'll move to our second location. All right, so our second location for today's video is probably the biggest change that you're going to notice when you're coming into Mass this weekend. We're actually putting in place the temporary wall that will separate the sanctuary from the construction, from our expansion project in the Pastoral Center. So beginning this weekend, the entire other side of the building, the Pastoral Center side, will be closed and locked, as well as the access. So we'll be coming in and out of the main doors from this point forward throughout our project. All right, thank you everyone. So our third stop on our video tour today is the parking lot. So as you note, we've got some barriers here. These will be moved for Mass this weekend, but this will be the last weekend that this side parking lot will be available to us. So this weekend, those will be moved, but during the week, we're keeping this parking lot closed just as activity is happening. And then right over here as well, we did move the picnic table, and there was a little bit of a picnic bench. It had been in the grassy area. It's now been moved to this side again, just to have it moved out of the way of the construction project. Thank you very much. We just can't wait to keep you updated as we proceed.